Hello everyone, how are you doing? Zatiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to download and install Google Chrome in Windows 11. The first step is open up any web browser. In this case, I select Microsoft Edge and search for google.com and hit enter and search for Google web browser download and hit enter. Go to official site of Google Chrome. Download now and click on download. And open that up your folder container. In this case, go to downloads and right click in the setup and click on run as administrator. If you receive an user account control, click on yes and click on close and wait a moment. And this is all. Click on get started and disable any other option. In this case, only select YouTube and translate and click on next. Define your background and click on next and set and default and click on close and click on skip and click on continue or click on no thanks. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.